Chapter 3.2 Representing Algorithms, Lesson Part 2.2 Selection and Nested Iteration. In this video, we are going to talk about selection on page 92 to 95. Let's start. Okay, so what is selection? Selection is to select one statement or a block of statements within a set of statements. Now let's see the pseudocode syntax for a selection. If answer equal correct, then. So here we have a condition. What will happen if the answer is correct? Output, well done. That means if the answer is correct, show me on the screen the word well done. The words that we are using and not changing are if, then, output. However, the words answer and correct, I can change them with anything, even the word well done because it's a text. So these can change. Okay, so after finishing the if condition, we will have else. So if the answer is not correct, what will happen? We will have else and then output, have another go. So after finishing the if condition and the else, we have to put the end if. So always remember, whenever we have if, we have to close it with end if. When we write the if condition, there is no need to write it in the else, because when we use the else, it will search for the answer that is the opposite of correct and work accordingly. Then it will show the output message of else. In this case, we have another go. Now let's see it in the flow chart. So here we have figure 8.4 selection flowchart. The user's answer will enter from here, from this arrow. Then we have a question, is condition true? If yes, it will go to the right side, process step or steps 1. So it will search for the output for the yes and display it. In this case, we have the output well done. However, if the answer to the question, is condition true? No, then it will go to the left and process step or steps 2. Then it will display the second output, have another go. This is how the selection flowchart works.